Hello, everyone. I am super excited to announce our new course that is 2.0 Ultimate Data Science with Generative AI and Agentic AI Bootcamp. And this specific bootcamp will start from January 11th, 2026. The timing of this particular bootcamp will be like we'll be having classes on every Saturday and Sunday from 9 a.m. IST to 1 p.m. IST. And we have also added one weekday, that is Wednesday, where the class will be happening between 8:30 p.m. IST to 10:30 p.m. IST. Now, this batch is very unique batch because we launch this batch once in a year. So in 2025, we had launched this in the March month, and around till now, we have completed around 60% of the syllabus. The reason is that we had so many holidays in between, so we could not take the classes every weekend. But yes, what we saw is that it will take at least 12 months to even cover this particular batch because there are so many new topics that have been getting added because of the research that is happening in the field of generative and agentic AI. And we are also updating those syllabus over here also, right? So similarly, 2.0, since on 2026, we will be launching this batch on January 11th. That batch will be only one in a year, right? And we will plan to cover this in within 12 months. Okay. Now, who should join this batch? Okay. Anyone who is basically starting in the field of AI, you don't know coding, it's okay because we are going to start completely from basics of Python. Then we'll cover statistics, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, generative AI, agentic AI. We'll be implementing a lot of end-to-end projects. But we'll go through the detailed syllabus, okay? But I also want to talk about like what all additional benefits you get from this particular batch, okay? So first of all, this bootcamp will have all the live sessions, on this particular time, that is Saturday and Sundays, 9 a.m. IST to 1 p.m. IST. And we'll also have a live session on Wednesday, 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. IST. Okay. You'll get all the recorded videos. As soon as the live session gets over, that recordings will be available in your dashboard. And I know this batch starts after 1 month, that is from January 11th. So what you'll do within this 1 month. So what we have done is that the previous batch, that is 1.0 Data Science and GenAI Masters, these recordings will also be available to you. Okay. So I will be showing you how the recording looks like, each and everything. Okay. Uh, each and everything will be available, like from the previous batch recordings completely will also be available. Okay. Now, if you go ahead and see this particular batch, you will be seeing what all things we will be covering. Okay. And you'll be seeing Python, data analysis toolkit, statistics, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, generative AI and RAG, LangChain, LangGraph, agentic AI, end-to-end deployment, database management, advanced ML and NLP. Everything is basically covered. So if you are getting started with AI, I think 2025, 2026 is the best year. Don't get delayed. Like if you're planning and you're not going ahead, because this is an amazing opportunity for everyone. Okay. Now let me do one thing. Let me go through the entire detailed syllabus. Okay. So first of all, when you just go ahead and click on enroll now. So here you can see that this particular batch price is 10,000 inclusive of GST. Okay. Inclusive of GST. Since we are saying that it will take minimum 12 months to complete this batch, we are taking per month less than 1,000 rupees. Okay. Less than 1,000 rupees because GST is 18%. Okay. So GST is not going to our pocket. Basically, we have to give it to the government. Okay. Then mentors for this batch will be Monal, Paul, Mank, Sunny, and myself. Okay. Monal will start with Python, machine learning. Soranshu Paul will basically complete deep learning, NLP. And then Mank, Sunny, or me will cover generative AI and agentic AI. Okay. The start date is basically mentioned. And here you should also be able to see the entire detailed course syllabus, right? Like what all things we are going to cover. So I'll go ahead and click this. Let this get opened. But additional features that you will get provided with is dashboard access with 3 years. When I'm saying 3 years, somewhere around 1,000 days. Okay, you'll be having access till 1,000 days. Previous batch complete recordings will be available to you. Community chat forum for discussion, live doubt clearing session after sessions, hackathon with rewards, Job referrals, whenever we get an referrals from any other company saying that, hey, we have this specific requirement, we will share in your entire community batch. Resume discussion and mock interview will be available. If you have any queries, you can just go ahead and call our counseling team with respect to anything that you have in mind. Okay. Now let me go ahead and show you the entire detailed syllabus. This is really huge syllabus. The best part is that whatever new things are also covering, right? We are covering both these batches on 1.2 also 2.0. Like let's say now we have deep agents. So deep agent will also get covered. Any new topics that are actually coming up in the field of AI, that will also be covered unless and until we don't complete this particular batch. Okay. So here you'll be able to see Python stats, machine learning, learning objectives. We'll just go through a detailed syllabus. This is my entire Krish Naik Academy team, amazing projects we build. Uh, Very good ROI people have got where they have got 200, 300% hike. If you don't believe me, just go ahead and check in my LinkedIn. I've posted out so many different posts with the transition messages. Okay. So we start with Python foundation, then we go with advanced Python programming, then NumPy, Pandas, these all are basic libraries, working with databases, building interactive data apps, foundation of statistics, statistical analysis, feature engineering for machine learning, exploratory data analysis, machine learning fundamentals, ensemble and advanced ML techniques, natural language processing for machine learning, deep learning foundation, advanced deep learning for NLP, generative AI, vector databases for AI application, RAG, comprehensive guide to LangChain, introduction to agentic AI, LangGraph fundamentals, state management and memory in LangGraph, UX and human in the loop system with LangGraph, agentic RAG system. Then you have MCP. You have multi-agent system for research automation, end-to-end AI and data projects. So they are around, minimum to minimum 27 modules. Now, at this specific price, I don't think so anybody is probably providing you this thing in the market. And we are making sure that we keep affordability in mind and provide you the best syllabus that is available. And any new updates that specific comes, right? Specifically in the field of agentic AI, generative AI, we also make sure to add those as the session keeps on going. Okay. Now, I know this batch will start after 1 month because today is December 2nd, since I'm announcing in this particular video. Till then, you can also go through the previous recording. Now, how do you go through the previous recording? So as soon as you enroll in this particular batch, then you'll also be able to get the dashboard access. Now, inside this dashboard access, you can see that this is the 1.0 dashboard access. Okay. 1.0 dashboard success. So here you can see induction session, everything with the dates, each and everything, all the classes. Currently we are going ahead with advanced NLP, right? And in the advanced NLP, you can see that some or the other mentor from Krish Naik Academy is basically taking the class. So everybody, I think you should not be able to see the video because it is DRM protected. Okay. It is DRM protected, so you're not able to see it. But other than that, you are able to see that we are having all the recordings. And these recordings also, you will be able to access it. And you can learn as you like, how based on your time that you have. So previous recordings is available with respect to previous batch recording is available along with the 2.0 data science batch. Okay. And again, the price is 10,000 inclusive of GST. The reason inclusive of GST, we don't have that. We have to give it to the government, right? But we are making sure that this 12 months batch, we try to at least cover less than 1,000 rupees per month. Okay. So these are all the information, right? You know the course syllabus, each and everything. What all things we are basically covering, and currently we are running up with 20% off. Okay, there's a discount that is going on. You can also go ahead and explore it. So now if I consider 20%, means it's more than like it's 8,000 plus GST. Yeah, and one more thing, guys, for the people who are from other countries other than India, you have some more additional payment gateway charges. So the course price will be a little bit costly, more than 10,000 rupees if you convert that into USD. Okay, the reason is very simple, because their payment gateway charges are more. Okay, so yeah, I've covered almost everything over here. Now let's go ahead and see what all things you get in the dashboard also. So in the dashboard, you will be able to see that first of all, you'll be having this course section. In this course section, you will be able to see two courses. One is this, and one is your ultimate data science. If you have taken other courses, that is also visible to you. Along with this, you'll also be able to get the community chat forum where you can chat with your peers, have any kind of communication with respect to anything, with respect to learning, each and everything over here. Right? Already people have started taking this course without me announcing it because there is so much of demand. Okay. Now, if you are planning to start learning AI, you don't know anything, this batch will be the best batch to get started with, right? Uh, and as we go ahead, whenever we launch any batch, we'll also be providing previous batch recordings because this is the second year we are basically starting all our live batches. We want to definitely give you more and more with respect to content, with respect to this and that, right? As you like, And additionally, you also get Udemy courses also, free Udemy courses. You don't even have to buy Udemy courses. Whenever we get free coupons, we will be first distributing to our students who have joined our batches. Okay. So any new batch, any new Udemy courses that have been launched, first of all, it will be shared with you. That is the commitment also that we specifically take in all our batches itself. Right. With respect to ROI, what I have actually seen in this entire year from past 2 to 3 years with respect to the things that we teach, people are definitely able to crack amazing jobs. They're working in MNCs. We are bringing the right kind of experienced teachers in front of you to teach, so that your learning experience is much more better, right? So yeah, this was it from my side. I hope you like this particular video. All the information regarding this will be given in the description of this particular video. If you have any question, any specific question, just call our counseling team. They will provide you the right guidance how to probably follow this particular course. So yeah, this was it from my side. I will see you all in the next video. Have a great day ahead. Thank you and all. Take care. Bye bye.